Kai Babasi po.
Yes po.
Yung reaction mo sa sinabi ni Direk na nag-audition kayo, pabalik-balik, and then how do you prepare for your role?
Well, my reaction to what Derek had to say about KJM, wow. Grabe. Sumasang-ayon naman po ako sa sinabi ni Derek because noon pa lang sa loob ng bahay, we actually had a task where we had to act. And KJM did a good job despite having to use a language that he's not good with. Kasi Bisaya siya doon eh. At hindi Bisaya si KJM, pero he did a great job. So noon pa lang, nakikitaan ko talaga si KJM na umarte. And finally, he's doing it. So I'm proud of him, but I'm also proud of myself kasi not only is he acting, I'm also going to be acting with him and the whole cast in this production. Kaya, I, as well, inside the house, did an acting task with KJM, kami lahat ng housemates. And gaya nga lang ng sinabi ni KJM, although we didn't start off strong talaga with acting because we're inexperienced people coming into acting, yet we did workshops, and I did it with KJM as well, and the other housemates, at eto na nga yung chance namin na i-prove na kaya namin gawin ang acting task dito sa outside world. Yeah.
Congratulations.
And then, Kai, comfortable ba kayo sa comedy and ano yung mga preparations niyo?
Well, alam kong kaya ni Kuya Jaya ng comedy. Ako, alam ko rin kaya ko. But to think that I would do it with Kuya Jaya, it never crossed my mind that I would be included in the movie with Kuya Jaya to do a comedy. Pero, I think that's the beauty of exploring. Kasi this can be my first time. And not only Kuya Bong's first time in Cinemalaya, also my first time. So, very exciting na magka-comedy kami.
Ayun. Hindi naman ako nagulat na si Kai yung gaganap ng Risa kasi sa loob lang ng bahay, alam ko na kung gaano katalino itong si Kai. Gaano ka-fast learner si Kai. Magkakain. So, na-excite lang din ako na makakatrabaho si Kai at parehas na yung first film project ko. And thank you.
Thank you. The next question will be...
And kina JM and Kai naman, may impression din ba kayo sa Cinemalaya na first movie nyo ay Independent Film Festival kayo at lead role ba?
I agree. I agree naman. This is also my first film, tas Cinemalaya pa. And although that's already a lot of, I wouldn't say pressure naman, but that's a lot of thing put on me. I'm doing my first film under Cinemalaya. Dapat I have to perform well. Because not only do I have to perform well, I have to exceed the expectations of what it takes to be under Cinemalaya. And dahil bago din ako sa industriyang to, I look forward to learning more, especially because Cinemalaya is known for starting directors and actors and actresses. I too am just starting. Kaya I expect to not only perform my best, but also to learn from my co-actors and actresses and sa mga veterans as well, and mga producers, directors. Hopefully I get to learn more for the future natin.
And syempre, sa kabila ng lahat ng suporta ng mga fans, meron din naman na talagang magbabash at sasabihin na bakit lead role agad ang mapupunta sa Kai.
I also agree. I also agree because the better you get at something, the bigger you get, the more people want to see the bad sides, the negative sides of you as a person. Anong mali kaya? Ba't ang ingay nito? What's something I can throw at this person to bring him or her down? And, I think, gaya ng sinabi ni Kuya, it's crucial to have bashers and the negative comments because without them, you wouldn't really be able to critique yourself as an artist. Kasi if puro na lang positive comments na receive mo as an artist, I don't think it would be possible for you as an artist to grow more, to develop, and to improve. So I really agree that the more bashing, the more negative hate, the more you are climbing up to be better.
Sir Bong, hearing those sentiments from JM and Kai, ano yung mapapayo mo sa kanila?
Nakakatuwa nga itong dalawang to eh. Masyadong parang matagal na sa industriya. Alam nila paano i-handle yung sarili nila. Kasi nag-agree naman ako eh. Lahat kasi hindi mo mapiplease eh. Diba? Kahit anong gawin mong tama, para sa iba, mali yun eh. So, ang gagawin mo lang, pagbubutihan mo pa. Wala namang masama kung i-critics ka nila, magbabash ka nila eh. Siguro, baka may punto sila. Diba? Kaya, kayong dalawa, kung ano yung tinatahak nyo, gawin nyo. Kasi walang masama ron at hindi nyo siya binibigyan ng problema sa sarili nyo. Kumbaga mas learnings pa yung inaan yun sa mga bashers. I thank you.
Sorry, yung last question ko lang for Kai. Kai, you had your acting debut in a cameo role sa Saving Grace, no? I think that's your very first acting stint, no? And now I think you're going to play a bigger role for this movie. Siguro from that first experience, ano yung lessons na you think madadala mo sa pagganap mo this time, this in Malaya and
Yes, my very first acting gig was in cameo in Saving Grace as Grace. Actually, when I was casted to play the older Grace, ano lang yun, parang, wait Kai, dito ka na, come here. So I didn't read the script pa noon when I was casted for Saving Grace until I was on set. So parang, okay, dapat ito gagawin mo, ganyan. Kasi sinabihan na ako na mama lang sasabihin ko. But, hindi ko alam, the scene was so dramatic. So sabi ko, okay lang yan, mama lang yan. Pagpunta ko na sa set, the director, kasi everyone was, it was sunset. So everyone was trying to get the shot while the sun was setting. So it's limited. We can't do it for so long or tomorrow. It has to be done today. Mama lang sinabi sa akin, but dapat dramatic. So I guess I learned that I must study my character beforehand. And kaya ngayon, binigyan na ako ng script, and although it's not the final script, it is gonna be an information for me about my character and all. Kaya binasa ko na, make sure hindi mama yung sasabihin ko or something like that. Pero I learned that I must study my character talaga before isabak na sa role. Ganun.
Thank you po.
And then, thank you, Jeff. Last question from Lloyd of Lionheart.